Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the market-based edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking, yeah. And today we'll be exploring a beautiful instrument that goes by the ticker symbol of ADMP, ADAMIS Pharmaceutical Corporation. Hopefully I said that right. This is a special request that we received. I'm going to go over some technical data here. Also, if you guys are just joining us, welcome in. Hit that subscribe button. We only go over technical data only. No news on this channel, guys. I can't understand that stuff. Just the technicals here. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel. Thank you for your engagement, including our loyal subscribers. I have some interesting lines and a pattern that I located on this chart. So, yeah, stick with me to the end, guys. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's February the 3rd, 2021, and the current price of this stock is going to be $1.11. It's up approximately 0.4% for the day. Hopefully we went over the ticker symbol. ADMP is the ticker symbol. All right, so here's the pattern. It's kind of embarrassing, actually. That's it. It's kind of weird. I was trying to find an inverted head and shoulders pattern. It's kind of like an inverted head and shoulders pattern complex, and yes, and this is what I got, guys. So it appears that the price action, it kind of found support within this pattern here, and it made an attempt. The buyers made an attempt to break above the neckline. So I guess I want to speak for those who don't understand patterns. So this line just over the price, if you can see that, like how I'm sweeping across the top of that line there, this line is going to act as resistance. If you notice, the price actually comes up to the line and it gets rejected. It comes up, you see those rejections there, and as of recently here, it looks like the buyers were just kind of ticked off and they just kind of exploded through the top of that line, and it appears that the sellers are trying to compromise that neckline to get back within the pattern. Now, I'm not sure what's going to happen at this point, but I will tell you that the previous level of resistance is going to be located at about, let's call it $1.04. So as long as the price, can just kind of stay above that level, let's just call it $1. If it's just kind of stay above $1, even if it kind of dips below a little bit of 99 cents, but for the most part, if it's staying above $1, it's likely that it's in preparation to do one of two things: go sideways or rip to the upside. So the price is just trying to find some more energy, as it probably used a lot of energy as it exploded out of this pattern. And when you have moves so aggressively like that, let's go ahead and measure how much it reached from the, let's call it January the 11th to the upside. That seems like a very extreme move. Let's see, measure it. So you're talking about 300, like almost 400% to the upside within a 3 to 4 week span. That's a lot of energy, right? So the market needs to just figure out, okay, that's a pretty a lot of energy we use. So they're just going to kind of accumulate a little bit more, find a range. And this is all speculation, guys. This price could, I don't want to say go to zero. This price could do something alternatively than what we think is going to happen. I'll put it that way, okay? But I'm going to say that as long as it can find some area where there's a sufficient amount of buying interest, right, then yeah, sideways to the upside is the only two options, all right? So as far as where I think the price is going, I mean, yeah, I just gave you guys that the $1 level. If it can hold that relative range, let's just say for the next, let me just kind of measure this area. This is like a hypothetical. What I do is I'll just measure like this range here, like the right shoulder, and see how much time is spent within the right shoulder. And then it kind of broke out, right? Let's just say 175 days. I know a lot of people probably don't want to wait that long, but maybe I'm wrong about that. I mean, that's pure speculation. Now, let's go and measure over 170 days and give you a time approximately of when we could potentially see another move, like to the upside potentially. Let's see, July 26, 2021, like pure speculation, guys. I'm not really sure what else to measure on this. If we actually erase this inverted head and shoulders pattern, if it is in fact an inverted head and shoulder pattern, I'm not delusional, right? I'm going to speculatively say that the price is currently within this large range here. It's a very large range, guys. It starts at about $1.85, and then it goes all the way down to let's see. The lower line is at about 33 cents. I'm not saying it's going to get that low, but understand that the price is in a very large range. So it had an extreme move to the upside. And if those of you if the price starts to come down to the lower line, like maybe even the mid range, which is currently where it is now, and if it just so happens to not hold, just understand what's going on. The price is consolidating within a very large range, which is the red line is currently at about 50 cents. So that's the reason why when I play these markets, guys, I never get like panic or like what's going on. I just identify the ranges and understand that the price is trying to mature and move in whatever direction, whether it's to the upside or the downside. I play the markets on both sides. So in this case, it appears that the market is trying to mature and thrust to the upside. Give it time. It's in a large range. I've already given you the range. Please rewind it back and listen. And a dollar, if it can hold a relative $1 level, then yeah, I can see higher prices on this stock. So hopefully this was relevant information. Maybe it was a back and forth all over the place. I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comment section. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Also, before you go, if you're new, we cover the alternative markets as well. Bitcoin, altcoins. Subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it is available. Okay. I think we covered everything, guys. Again, thank you for your time. I can't say that enough. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Do not buy this stock if you don't have a strategy. Entry, exit, stop loss predetermined before you hit that buy button, guys. Take care. We're going to talk very soon, guys.